Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the unboxing and hands-on feature overview of OPPO Enco M31. So M31 is the wireless headphones with the neckband. So these could be called the sports wireless earphones, and these come with the LDAC codec support and high-res audio through the wireless format. So these are the wireless earphones, and you don't have an option to be wired or connected through the 3.5 headset jack. They come with that neckband which comfortably sits on the neck, and they also offer that good battery storage as well. And if you talk about the major specifications or the features here, first one is that LDAC ultra clear audio transmission, which is said to be delivering 3 times more data than those other Bluetooth coding technologies, which ensure you can enjoy clear and crisp sound of high quality. So LDAC basically is Sony's proprietary audio coding technology, and it can give up to 990 kbps at 24-bit and 96 kHz. So I mean, in a way, LDAC is said to be one of the top codecs of when it comes to the audio quality. Next, there is certified high-res wireless audio and 9.2 mm titanium speaker with the titanium composite full-range dynamic drivers, and this AI uplink noise cancellation during calls. So that is another feature there. And some of the other features include the IPX5 water resistance, bass mode, and 8-hour LDAC audio playtime. So 8 hours is when your smartphone supports LDAC and it gives you audio with that codec. But if it's with the regular one, that's SBC or AAC, it would be about 12 hours of playback time. So this 8 hours gets converted to 12 hours if your smartphone is able to send only about SBC or AAC codecs. And the entire set of earphones is about 22 grams in weight, and the smart magnetic power controls as well. So these ends, they are magnetic, and when they are attached to each other, the ends of the two sides of earphones, they would actually turn off or disconnect the earphones, and whenever you pull them apart, again they would start connecting and they would play the music for you. And here's some more details about the same, and these are actually priced at 2000 rupees and they're already available on Amazon, even though the MRP says 2999, and most of the details are the same. Battery capacity is 88 milliampere hour, and the Bluetooth version is 5.0 with the wireless range of about 10 meters. So this was all the major specifications and features. So we already given you the entire gist of what it is. Now let's take out the package and show you what all comes inside the box package. So this is how it looks inside, and obviously you can see that it does look similar to how most of the other sports earbuds or earbands are, and those are always on Bluetooth. So this is Bluetooth 5.0. That's another good thing, the latest Bluetooth technology that is said to have lesser latency and more range, so about 10 meters of range. And this is the magnetic end of both. So as soon as you attach these, they actually would turn off, and they would disconnect from your smartphone. When you pull them apart, they would start connecting, and that would also save battery in a way. Whenever you are not using them, you can just join them together this way. Now apart from the earphones, once we pull this out, so there's the silica gel or silica for keeping things dry, and you have the warranty card and the quick start guide here. And finally, the other accessories include these. So you have the mention here already, just like I had said in the W31 unboxing as well. Everything is pretty neatly arranged because it's from OPPO, one of the brands that does take care about things in the design department at least. And you have the extra 2 pairs of ear tips, and you have the USB Type-C cable, which means the earphones have the USB Type-C connectivity for charging themselves. Now, while we have talked about the battery life earlier, that it gives about 8 hours of output on LDAC codec and 12 hours on the other codecs, the charging as well is important. So it takes about 1 hour to charge the earphones fully, and if you are charging it for 10 minutes, that's enough for 3 hours of playtime of LDAC codec actually. So it has a kind of a fast charging, initial fast charging, where about 10 minutes is enough to give you 3 hours of playback. But for the earphones to get fully charged, it would take about 1 hour. And these have the PET titanium plated composite diaphragms for the sound output, and these are the in-ear options. So always it's going to be firm and well fixed inside the ears, and you can see they are actually pretty strong with the magnetic force, and whenever you have them together, they would actually disconnect from your smartphone. And here you can see that there's a USB Type-C port towards one of the sides, and there's this multifunction button and the volume rocker buttons where you have the up and down. So those are the buttons given here, and on the other side you won't find anything, but it would mostly be the battery for the extra battery life, and you have the OPPO branding on both the sides. And this seems like pretty flexible, the neckband, and it might have that memory enough to keep it in the position and bring it back to the same position whenever you remove them. And this flexibility actually helps a lot when you are using it around your neck, when you're wearing it around your neck, so that it doesn't push itself onto the neck and give that unnecessary pressure. It's pretty flexible, so that's a good thing. So you can see as soon as I separated these two, it actually started blinking, which says that the earphones are ready for pairing. And let me try to search for the earphones. So OPPO Enco M31 is readily available for pairing, and as soon as you tap on that, it would ask or request for the same. And you have the LDAC support in this Xiaomi Mi Note 10, so thankfully that is good. Provide a high quality audio experience with the LDAC, which is present here. When a Bluetooth device supports LDAC, it will be connected by default. LDAC provides a high quality audio experience but also increases the power consumption. Issues may occur during playback due to Bluetooth hardware limitations, but here there surely won't be any issues because this at least the Bluetooth earphones given here are supporting LDAC pretty well. And so let's try with the buttons here. It actually would help us understand. So this multi-function button would also help in play and pause. So right now if I press on this button, it's playing and pausing the audio there. And apart from that, if we long press on this one of the buttons, it will take you to the next track, the volume up button, and the center one here would actually take you to the previous track. So that's how these buttons are, and that's it. This was the quick unboxing and the feature overview of the OPPO Enco M31. These actually look premium, they feel premium in the hand, and they are pretty flexible. So I guess it should be good enough for the workout or the training guys who are always into workouts and running. So you can easily wear them and work around and do your jogging and running. But how good is the sound quality, how good is the battery life, and is it close to what it is claimed? We'll talk about all that in the final review that should go live in a few days from now. But for now, that's it in this video. This was the quick unboxing and hands-on with the OPPO Enco M31. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.